Hello, this might seem to be a boring cardboard box, but it is not. It is Era 1 L&BR Goods Train Pack, i.e. Wagon, from Sam's Trains. Let's open up and see what they look like. Plenty of packaging, an accessories bag. Out of these 3 wagons, I don't know which is what, so we'll open up this one very carefully. Oh, it looks like a double wagon. Okay, we'll give that a spin down JJ's corner slope in a moment. That one looks really good. You can see the lines all the way around it. You can see all the planks in it. Let's open up this one. Now this is a single wagon with one compartment. It's got 2 compartments. This just got one. Oh, this looks like a flatbed wagon. So we've got 3 different types of wagons. You can see all the planks on them as well. Looks like the wheels spin quite well on them. Metal wheels. Well, let's take a look at these accessories and see what we've got. Looks like we've got 2 types of couplings. Looks like we've got, that looks like luggage. That looks like coal. So I think this one could go on top of there. This one goes on top of that one. And these 2 smaller ones also look like coal. And they go on top of there. And then we can either use NEM couplings or these little link couplings. So let's do a quick up close and personal. Just want to show you about these couplings. As you can see, there's a little hook just there where you can hook these onto like that, like so. Or these hooks do, you can actually see that, they do actually, these little hooks do come out. So see, I'll just pull it out from the other end, as you can see just there. So you can actually put these NEM couplings in if you want to. So you can actually use these wagons as converters, so you can get, that's an idea. Let's see what we can get the Era 1 Locos to pull. Midland Model Railway. The Triple MR for sure. No particular order. Let's have a look at this wagon. Obviously this is the one, this is coal load, but I don't think these will fit on properly. This is supposed to be for the flatbed, but that won't really fit on properly. But I could put on these little ones, I suppose. I don't think they fit too well. Not really. So let's obviously no glue marks. The wheels spin quite well. You can see all the planks in the bottom there. You can see all the planks going across. I suppose there'll be metal bars going down. I'm not sure. Not much to say about that. Let's put this on there. Now this is the flatbed wagon. Again, you can see all the planks going across there. Just notice none of the wagons have buffers, or them. No, actually they do have buffers. I think they're called dumb buffers. Wheels spin quite easily. So this is where all the little cases go on top of there. Okay, so let's go on to the 3rd wagon now. Now this is this double wagon, 2 little loads. Again, you can see all the planks inside there. So let's put these coal loads on. There you go. So let's give them the JJ's corner slope downhill test. Let's start with this one. It stops at the station platform. Do the second one with the double wagon. Makes it to the start of the platform. And lastly, the flatbed wagon. That goes past the 1st wagon. Oh, and as you can see, I've just said it's past the 3rd wagon, or the double wagon, whatever you want to call it, and it stops with the 1st wagon. So they're good rollers, I suppose. Welcome to JJ's test track. I thought I'd do something different. I'm going to try, see what happens. As you can see, I've got them connected up to locomotion number 1, and let's see how well it pulls. Not too bad. Can't go too fast now. Well, seems to be working okay. On my JJ's test track. Don't want to go too fast. Don't want to crash because it just uncoupled really. Let's just give it one more go and then we go upstairs. Like so. That's why you don't make it go too fast and it will crash you. Okay, so that works well. Let's go upstairs now. Midland Model Railway. The Triple MR for sure. This time I thought I'd do something a bit different. I'd try the line instead. No worries. Living Stream straight sidings. Cadbury straight, JJ's corner slope, Medley and Jew straight, JJ's Steam Loco plate corner, Miller's suspension bridge, unfinished Steam express corner, oops, and it's come undone. Let's just stop it. Well, I think you get the idea. Give one more lap, and I think we'll call it a day. Here's the tunnel. Oh dear. For some reason I don't like that tunnel. Twice it's uncoupled and it went through the tunnel, but there you go. So that was Sam's Trains Era 1 wagon. 2 wagons with coal load. One has a double coal load and one's a flatbed wagon. I hope you enjoyed my review. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Or nearly forgot. I know I said about adding that. I'll do a separate, like it, and then coupling to that wagon. But I'll do a separate video for that. So anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.